We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service issuing a flash flood warning for generally almost all of North Texas. Flash flood warnings have been activated for Collin, Dallas, Denton, Kaufman, and Rockwall counties until 2:45. Doppler radar indicates strong thunderstorms producing heavy rains across North Texas. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding indicates flooding is ongoing or imminent. Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, service roads, and other low-lying areas. Once again, a flash flood warning being issued for Collin, Dallas, Denton, Kaufman, and Rockwall counties until 2:45. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.